Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous 18 videos, we discussed some of the topics. So in this video, I'm going to revise all those topics which we covered in the 18 videos. Till now, if you didn't listen to those previous videos, please check the links in the description as well as in the comment section. So before going to start our session, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట మాత్రం కొట్టడం మర్చిపోకండి. Find the Hscf of 24 and 34 by EDL, in short of Euclid's division lemma. So first do normal division for the numbers 24 and 34. 24 ones are 24. 34 minus 24, it is 10. Now this we need to write it in the form of A equals to BQ plus R. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient 24 into 1 plus remainder. Now from this we need to pick the divisor and the remainder. We need to continue the division process until and unless we get the remainder as 0. So 10 and 24. Do division again. 10 2s are 24 remainder. Again this we need to write it in the form of A equals to BQ plus R. That is dividend equals to divisor into quotient 10 into 2 plus remainder 4. Now from this divisor and remainder both we need to take. Again we need to do division of these two numbers, that is 4 and 10. 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8, 2 is the remainder. Then dividend 10 equals to divisor into quotient, that is 4 into 2 plus remainder 2. Now again divisor and remainder we need to take and we need to continue the process. 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder 0. So whenever we get the remainder 0, we need to stop the process there. After getting the remainder 0, we need to check what is our final divisor, that is 2. So Hscf of 24 and 34 is 2. Next, volumes of two cubes are in the ratio 8:125. Then find the ratio of their total surface areas. This question is looking a little difficult, but it is very easy. Volume of two cubes. Volume of cube 1 divided by volume of cube 2. So what is the formula for volume of a cube? It is A cube, but here we are considering particularly cube 1, right? So that's why I'm taking as A1 cube divided by volume of cube 2, A2 cube. Okay, so this ratio is given as 8 divided by 125. A1 cube divided by A2 cube equals to 8 divided by 125. I'm writing that clearly here again. A1 cube divided by A2 cube equals to 8 can be written as 2 cube by 125 can be written as 5 cube. So now if we observe this, A1 cube by A2 cube equals to 2 cube by 5 cube, then what will be A1 by A2? A1 by A2 will be equals to 2 by 5, simply removing the cubes. Now he is asking what is the ratio of their total surface areas. So what is the formula for total surface area of a cube? TSA of cube 1 by TSA of cube 2. So total surface area of a cube is 6a square. But here cube 1 is there, so that's why I'm taking a 6a1 square divided by 6a2 square. Here 6 both will get cancelled. Then finally v remains with a1 square divided by a2 square. Here in the numerator and denominator both squares are there. So this we can simplify it as a1 by a2 whole square. Already from the previous step only we know a1 by a2 is nothing but 2 by 5. So a1 by a2 is 2 by 5 square as it is. Now this square is applicable for the numerator as well as for the denominator. So 2 square 4 by 5 square 25. So the ratio of their total surface areas is 4:25. Next, if set S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then the number of elements in P of S is nothing but power set. So in the power set, how many elements will be there? Power set is nothing but a set which consists of all the subsets. So simply we need to find out the number of subsets. Number of subsets equals to 2 power n. N is nothing but in the given set how many elements are there. So that is equals to 2 power. In the set how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. So 2 power 4. 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. So total number of elements in the power set is 16. Next, if sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, then prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equals to 1. So the given equation is sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. I am taking this plus sin square theta to the right side, then it will become minus sin square theta. So we remains with sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So finally we got some conclusion, that is sin theta equals to cos square theta. Then they are asking to find the value, prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. We need to show that this is also equals to 1 only. Okay, cos square theta I am writing as it is plus cos power 4 theta I am writing it as cos square theta whole square. Now cos square theta is nothing but sin theta. So this cos square theta I am replacing with sin theta plus again cos square theta is there. So that is nothing but sin theta, but whole square is there. So this is equals to sin theta plus sin theta whole square sin square theta. Sin theta plus sin square theta value is 1, which is given in the question itself. So hence proved that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equals to 1. Next one, prove that 1 minus cos A divided by sin A equals to sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. So I am taking the left side and I will prove that it is equals to the right side. 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. So what I am going to do is, in the numerator 1 minus cos A is there, right? I am going to multiply and divide with 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Because in the right side, in the denominator I have 1 plus cos A. So this is the only opportunity we have. Now with the numerator if you observe, 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A, it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So that is nothing but A square minus B square. So 1 square minus cos square A by sin A into 1 plus cos A. I am not solving this, I am writing as it is sin A into 1 plus cos A, which is equals to, here 1 square is nothing but simple 1 only. So 1 minus cos square A, that is sin square A whole divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. In the numerator we have sin square A, that sin square A I am writing it as sin A into sin A whole divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now here sin A both will get cancelled, then finally we remains with sin A whole divided by 1 plus cos A, hence proved. Next, if sin theta equals to A by B, then find the value of tan theta. Draw one right angle triangle. This I am taking as theta. You can take this also, as I have said already. Sine theta is given. So for this theta, this will become opposite side and this will become adjacent side, and this is as usual hypotenuse. So sine theta equals to a by b. Sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is a and hypotenuse is b. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out the third side, that is adjacent side. Hypotenuse square equals to first side square plus second side square. Here second side is don't know, right? So x I am taking it as. So just take this a square to that side. So b square plus a square will become minus a square equals to x square. X square is b square minus a square. Then what will be the x value? That is under root b square minus a square. So the adjacent side will be under root b square minus a square. Now in the question he is asking to find out the value of tan theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is a divided by adjacent is under root b square minus a square. Next one. The decimal form of 129 divided by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. Whether it will terminate or non-terminating repeating type of decimal, we need to find out. So to check whether a given p by q number has a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating type of decimal, we will check only about the denominator. If the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, I repeat, if the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then only the p by q form number will be having terminating decimal, otherwise non-terminating repeating. So in simple words, if we speak, the denominator should consist only number 2 or else only number 5 or else 2 into 5. Except this, no other numbers should be there. Okay, let us check the question now. 2 square, okay, base 2 is there, which is necessary for us. 5 power 7, base 5, okay, which is necessary for us. But the third one is 7 power 5. Here completely 7 is not at all necessary for us. So here this denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is non-terminating repeating type of decimal. Next, find the HCF of 8, 9, 25 by prime factorization. So what is the prime factorization for 8? 2 into 2 into 2. What about 9? 3 into 3. What about 25? 5 into 5. So he is asking to find out the HCF, right? HCF means one number should be common in all the three. But in this case, nothing is common in all the three. So whenever if nothing is common, then HCF will be 1, because 1 is a common factor for all the numbers. Next, cylinder, cone and hemisphere are of equal base and of same height. Then find the ratio of their volumes. So the first figure is cylinder is to cone is to hemisphere. He is asking to find the ratio of their volume. So let us write the volume formulas for this. Cylinder volume pi r square h is to cone volume 1 by 3 pi r square h is to hemisphere volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now coming back to the question again. Cylinder, cone and hemisphere are of equal base and of same height. Okay. This is hemisphere. From here to here, this will become height of the hemisphere. So that is nothing but radius of the hemisphere. So height of the hemisphere is exactly equal to the radius of the hemisphere. Just remember this. Height of the hemisphere is equal to the radius of the hemisphere. So let us draw all the three figures. Cylinder, cone, and coming to the last figure, hemisphere, right? Okay. This hemisphere height just now only we did, that is radius. Then cone height also will be r only. Then cylinder height also will be r only. Radius as usual r. That's it. So for all the figures we got everything clearly now. Observe here. Pi, pi, pi will get cancelled. Here r square, r square. Here from r cube, r square 2 times r will cancel. Next, height of all the figures are same, right? So this height, and in this r cube one r is remaining already. So height is exactly equal to the radius. So that is the reason everything will get cancelled. Now we remains with finally 1. Here nothing is there, so 1 will remain. Here 1 by 3, here 2 by 3. 1 is to 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3. Now to make this all clear, everything I will multiply with 3 now here. 1 into 3 is to 1 by 3 into 3 is to 2 by 3 into 3. So we remains with 1 3s are 3 is to 3 3 will get cancelled, 1 3 3 will get cancelled through. So the volumes of the figures cylinder, cone and hemisphere are in the ratio of 3 is to 1 is to 2. Next, if the volume of a cube is 1728 centimeter cube, then find edge of the cube. Volume of cube formula is a power 3. So that a cube he given it as 1728. So 1728 it is of which number cube? So a cube equals to 12 cube is 1728. A cube is 12 cube. Then what about the a value? So a equals to 12. As I already said in the previous videos, mensuration means units are compulsory. So here the volume is in centimeter cube, then edge will become centimeter. So edge of the cube is 12 centimeter. Next question. If 1 0 of the polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2, then find the value of k. So he mentioned that 0 is 2. In the place of x, simply we need to substitute 2. So the given polynomial is x square plus 3x plus k. Now in the place of x, we need to substitute 2. 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k. He said in the question clearly that it is a 0 of the polynomial. So whenever if you are substituting that number in the place of x, then compulsory our answer will be equals to 0. So now if we simplify this further, 2 square is 4 plus 3 2s are 6 plus k equals to 0. 4 plus 6, 10 plus k equals to 0. Take 10 to the right side, so k value will be equals to minus 10. Next question. Find the quadratic polynomial if the zeros are minus 3 and 4. So whenever if we have two zeros, to find out a quadratic polynomial, we have one formula, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here alpha beta are nothing but zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So here k as it is into x square minus alpha is minus 3 plus beta is 4 into x plus alpha minus 3 into beta 4. K into x square minus 3 plus 4 1 into x plus minus 3 into 4 minus 12. K into x square minus 1 into x plus into minus 12. Here the denominator only not there, so whenever if we don't have denominator, we need to take the k value as 1. So if k equals to 1, then our polynomial will be x square minus x minus 12. So the required polynomial is x square minus x minus 12. Next, if the angle between two radii of a circle is 110 degrees, then find the angle between the tangents at the end of the radii. So he's speaking about tangent as well as two radii. So let us draw the figure according to that. Center, one radius and second radius. That's it. This is the required figure. So he's saying that angle between two radii of a circle is 110 degrees. So this is given as 110 degrees. Then find the angle between the tangents at the end of the radii. So he's asking to find out this angle. This is one side, second side, third side, fourth side. So total for the figure 4 sides are there, means it is quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Next, this is a radius. It is touching the tangent here. So this will be 90 degrees. This is a radius. It is touching the tangent here. So this will be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. This is 110 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And this is x degrees. So that x we need to find out now. 90 plus 110 plus 90 plus x equals to 360, because sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. 90 plus 110, 200. 200 plus 90, 290 plus x equals to 360. Take 290 to another side. X equals to 360 minus 290, then x is equals to 70 degrees. Next, the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Then find the side of rhombus. So if we have a rhombus, right, these are two diagonals of the rhombus, and those two diagonals are given as 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now, if we take this diagonal, this total diagonal is 16 centimeter, right? Then it means upper one is 8 centimeter and lower one is 8 centimeter. The same way, this total diagonal is 12 centimeter. Then this part will be 6 centimeter and this part will be 6 centimeter. Now he is asking to find out the side of the rhombus, right? So if we observe this figure clearly, rhombus including the diagonals, we will get 4 right angle triangles. So any one right angle triangle you take. This I am taking now. Okay. For easy calculation or for easy understanding, I am drawing that separately here. This is 8 and this is 6. Now he is asking to find out this side, right? So side is nothing but this hypotenuse we need to find out. That I am taking as some x. So this is right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to first side square plus second side square. So x square equals to 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36. 64 plus 36 100. X square is 100. Then what will be the x value? It is 10 centimeter. So the side of the rhombus is 10 centimeters. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AB. So let us take one triangle ABC. DE is parallel to AB. So this is AB line. For this line, I am drawing one more parallel, name DE. Now, here everyone will get one doubt. Whether we need to write D here and here, or else we can write also in reverse or not. So that will be decided by the question only. Now let us check that also once. CD is given as 3 centimeters. So this 3 CD will be 3. Then EC is 4, so EC is 4. Then BE is 6 centimeters. B is here and E is somewhere here. BE doesn't have any connection at all. So DE points we took in wrong. So what we need to do is now just changing here and there. Remove this E here and keep it a D. remove this D and make it E. That's it. Now let us write the units again. CD is 3, this is 3, EC is 4, and BE is a 6. Then he's asking to find out DA. So this he is asking. Very simple it is. He clearly mentioned in the question itself, DE and AB both are parallel to each other. So this line and this line both are parallel to each other. If two parallel lines are there in a given triangle, then easily we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So I am going to start from this point C. Okay. Now upper one by lower one is equals to upper one by lower one. So if you apply that one, CE by BE equals to CD by AD or DA. So let us write the numbers also. CE is 4 by EB or BE 6 is equals to CD 3 divided by DA x. Let us do cross multiplication. 4 into x, 4x equals to 6 into 3, 18. We need to find out the x value. So take 4 to the right side. So x is equals to 18 divided by 4. 4 1s are, 2 2s are 2 9s are. So x is equals to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is exactly equals to 4.5 centimeters. He gave one triangle. In that he is saying that if angle BAC equals to 90 degrees. So BAC means this angle will come, that is 90 degrees. And AD is perpendicular to BC. So this AD line and this BC line both are perpendicular to each other. So it means this is 90 degrees as well as this is also 90 degrees. Then prove that BD into CD equals to AD square. So before going to prove that one, let us have a small changes in the given question. Okay. According to the first condition, BAC is 90 degrees, right? So this total angle is 90 degrees. Now, left side we have one part and right side we have one part, right? Left side part I don't know, so that's the reason I am taking that as some x. Then what will be the right part? This is x. And what about this one? 90 minus x, because these two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Now just observe the right side part clearly. One angle is 90 minus x and the second angle is 90. Then the third angle will be equals to x. The same way that left side figure also, if you observe, this is 90, this is x, then the third angle will become 90 minus x. How we got that means it depends on sum of all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So based on that property we are saying that one. Okay, now what I will do is, based on that angle, I will design or I will reshape the figure. Right side part I am writing as it, I am drawing as it is. Right side triangle, this one. Right side triangle I am drawing as it is. Here 90, here x, and this is 90 minus x. What are the alphabets then? A, D, C. This is A, this is a D, this is C. Okay, now what I am going to do with this left side part is, this BD is a sleeping line, right? So that horizontal line I am rotating in such a way that BD will become vertical line. So that BD will become vertical line. Like this exactly. BD is the sleeping line, so I am making it into standing line. So this will become B and this will become D. Then one more alphabet, A as usual. This is 90 degrees. Then at B it is 90 minus x and this is x. Okay, now observe this clearly. 90 minus x, 90 minus x, 90, 90, x, x. All the corresponding angles are equal to each other. So if corresponding angles are equal to each other, then we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. So if two triangles are similar to each other, then the corresponding sides ratio will be equal to each other. So left side divided by left side, BD by AD, BD by AD equals to base by base, DA by DC is equals to hypotenuse by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Now from that he is asking, show that BD into CD is equals to AD square, right? So for that I am taking only these two. Do cross multiplication, BD into DC, BD into DC, or else CD, both are same. BD into CD equals to AD into AD, AD square, hence proved. Next question. In triangle ABC, right angle is at B. So now this time we need to draw right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. So this will become B. Then remaining is your wish, A, C, or else CA you can write, no problem. Then in the measurements is given as AB 24 centimeter and BC 7 centimeter. Then he is asking to find sin C value. So here is C, so here is the angle. He is asking to find out sin C. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we need to find out first. Hypotenuse square equals to first side square plus second side square. 24 square 576 plus 7 square 49. 576 plus 49, it is 625. Hypotenuse square is 625. Then what will be hypotenuse? 25. So we got the hypotenuse as 25. Then he is asking to write the sin C value. So sin C. Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So for the angle C, opposite is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So sin C is equals to 24 divided by 25. Next. What is the value of sin 30 plus cos 60 minus sin 60 plus cos 30? Sin 30 1 by 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. Here both the denominators are same, so easily we can add the numerators. 1 plus 1 2 by 2 minus, here also both the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. 2 as it is, root 3 plus root 3, 2 times root 3. Here 2 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, then we remains with 1 minus root 3. Are set E 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and set O 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on equal sets or equivalent set? First of all, what is the difference between equal set and equivalent set? Equal set is nothing but in the given 2 or more than 2 sets, every element should be same. If every element is the same, then those sets are considered as equal sets. First let us check, are these elements are same or not. In this 2 is there, but in this set number 2 only not there at all. So easily we can say that these two sets are completely different. So set A not equals to set B. How we will write that? Means 2 element 2 belongs to set E, set E, but the same element 2 does not belongs to set E. That is the reason set A and set B both are not equal set. Then coming to the next, equivalent set. What exactly equivalent means? In the given sets, number of elements are same. If the number of elements are same, then those are considered as equivalent sets. So observe the first set now. E equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Dashes are there. So easily we can say that it is an infinite set. The same way set O equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These two sets are infinite sets. So these two are having same number of elements. So these two are equivalent sets. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 27. X square minus 27, make it equals to 0. Take minus 27 to the right side. So x square is equals to 27. Then x square equals to, x equals to plus or minus under root 27. X equals to plus or minus root 27 can be written as 9 threes. X equals to plus or minus under root 9 into 3 can be separated as root 9 into root 3. So x equals to plus or minus root 9 is 3 into root 3 as it is. So the zeros are plus or minus 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. Next, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. We are going to solve this by splitting the middle term into two terms. X square plus 7x plus 10. First term x square as it is. 7x we are replacing with 2x plus 5x plus 10 as it is. Now from the first and second terms we can take out x common, then remains with x plus 2. From third and fourth terms I am taking 5 common, then remains with the x plus 2. So finally x plus 2 into x plus 5. Then x is equals to, here plus 2 is there, so minus 2. Here plus 5 is there, minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 5 are the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. Next. Sorry. Find the decimal of 22 divided by 5 without division. 22 by 5. Here 5 is nothing but 5 power 1. This 5 power 1 we need to multiply and divide with 2 power 1. 22 into 2, 44 by 5 into 2, 10. 44 by 10, 4.4. Next. If set A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then find the value of A minus B as well as A intersection B. First write A minus B. A minus B equals to, set A we have 2, 4, 6, 8 minus set B we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First remove all the elements which are common in both the sets. Here 2 is there, 2 is there. Next 4 is there, 4 is there. That's it. Now we are finding A minus B, right? So only from the set A, we need to write the remaining elements. From the set A, we remains with 6 and 8. So 6 comma 8. That's it. Next, A intersection B. A intersection B. So in the set A, we have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection. In the set B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection is nothing but we need to pick the elements which are common in both the sets. 2 is common, 4 is common. So A intersection B is equals to 2 comma 4. Find the value of the cubic polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x if x equals to minus 2. 2 into, here in the place of x, minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into, in the place of x, minus 2 whole square plus 5 into, in the place of x, minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8, minus 3 into minus 2 square, 4, plus 5 into minus 2. 2 into minus 8 minus 16 minus 3 4s are 12 plus into minus minus 10. All the numbers are negatives, so do addition and keep the negative symbol. 16 plus 12 28, 28 plus 10 38 and keep the negative symbol, so minus 38. Next question, express tan theta in terms of secant theta. So whenever if you get this kind of question, after the word in terms, what trigonometric ratio will be there, make that equals to x by 1. Now secant theta equals to x by 1 is there, so let us draw right angle triangle. This I am taking as theta. So secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this one, that is under root x square minus 1. So he's asking to find out the tan theta value, right? Then tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is here, under root x square minus 1 divided by adjacent is 1. Then it will be equals to under root x value is secant. So secant square theta minus 1 divided by 1. If you write also, if you didn't write also, nothing will happen. So tan theta is equals to under root secant square theta minus 1.